Kia ora, good morning, happy Friday. I am Mike from Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Let's get into it. Yeah, so the US tech sector, the yo-yoing, they continued overnight, yoing down after only one day of yoing up. Yeah, prior to that, 3 consecutive days of yoing down. He'd stop yoing. So yeah, tech out of favor overnight, specifically what they call the mega cap tech stocks. Big, basically, Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Google, blah, blah, blah. So that spilled into other markets and assets, creating a bit of a risk-off spiral. So for US equities, the declines were to the tune of 1 and a bit%, so not terrible, but still not great. European markets not hit quite as hard. Commodities, broadly following those risk-off themes. Industrials were lower. Gold, the sometimes safe haven, ever so slightly higher, just a smidge. Currencies, they were a bit all over the place. The Kiwi, that one was pretty straightforward, at least rallied above the 67 cent mark during the evening, from 66.8-ish when we went home yesterday. But yeah, then as US markets opened and tech took that tumble, the Kiwi went along for the ride. The overnight low, just a few moments ago actually, about 66.45. We're just a smidge above that now. US dollar choppy, but higher as you might expect. The real movers and shakers though in the currencies are the euro and the pound. So the ECB, European Central Bank, they announced no changes to monetary policy settings overnight, but even sitting on their collective hands, still enough to prompt a rally in the euro. But like pretty much everything, it was subsequently dragged lower by the tech sector spillover, starting from a more elevated position though. So yeah, euro ultimately unchanged on the day. On the night. Yeah. From a Kiwi Euro perspective, lower Kiwi, broadly unchanged Euro, lower Kiwi Euro. The pound. Okay, that one was on the back foot from the start. So we've sort of touched on this previously this week, but yeah, the meat and potatoes are the UK. Boris and his buds, they are looking to do a little bit of tweaking, maybe, to their EU withdrawal agreement. Now, the EU, they aren't too keen on this. They basically don't want to change the rules of the game midway through. Kind of fair enough, I guess. And overnight, the EU, they expressed that they would not shy away from legal action if that tweaking went ahead. So, I mean, thinking back to being a little kid, soccer, my coach, Mr. Wheeler, he told me that, yeah, when in doubt, kick it out. And the market has doubts, or at the very least concerns, and so they are kicking the pound. Yeah, throwing that tech-prompted asset dumping and 1.5% decline in sterling. Kiwi pound styles, that brings us back down to the 52-ish pence mark. Yeah. Okay, that is a lot more than I thought I was going to say. When you're passionate about something, it's hard to stop sometimes. Yeah, probably for the best. These videos aren't about Star Wars movies, or they would never end. A ridge tridge Star Wars, though. Not really a massive fan of the Disney sequel trilogy. Anyway, today, a couple of local third-tier releases. Maybe second tier at a pinch. Overnight, it's the UK GDP and US inflation. Slightly heavier hitters. For most, though, the evening, the weekend, it's going to be about where US equity markets go. Where the NASDAQ goes, really. That and the Mitre 10 Cup, of course. Okay, have a great weekend. Ka kite anō.